resource is anything that humans use that are from the earth. There are two groups of resources: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are resources that are used at a faster rate than they could be replaced, such as fossil fuels and nuclear energy. Most of the energy we use comes from non-renewable energy. Fossil fuels form from the remains of plants and animals that once lived long ago. The most common method for obtaining energy is through burning fossil fuels. Different types of fossil fuels are coal, oil, and natural gas. Coal is a dark rock that forms under swamps from plants. When coal is burned, it produces heat and releases harmful substances into the air, which cause acid rain. It also releases a lot of CO2. While mining coal, people damage the environment and harm the ecosystem. Oil is used to run cars and make petroleum. Oil is a liquid substance formed from the ocean, plants, and animals. When burning, it releases greenhouse gases. Oil transportation is very dangerous because if an oil spill occurs, it will damage the environment, and it is very hard to clean up. Natural gas formed from tiny marine organisms, which can form organic matter. The advantage of natural gas is that it is less expensive than other types of fossil fuels, and it does not pollute as much as oil and coal. And natural gas releases much less CO2 than other fossil fuels. But natural gas has many disadvantages. Natural gas is flammable and toxic, which can cause explosions. It uses very expensive equipment to get the gas. Nuclear energy is the energy that is produced by the splitting of atoms. It needs uranium, which is a non-renewable resource, to produce energy. When the energy is released, it heats water and creates electricity. Renewable energy resources are resources that can be replaced at a faster rate as they are being used up. Some major resources are solar, wind, hydroelectric, geothermal, and biomass energy. Renewable energy is safer energy and creates very minute pollution. Solar energy is the energy that is received from the sun in the form of radiation. Radiation is created when fusion of the hydrogen atoms release energy from the sun that reaches the earth. Solar panels are made of photovoltaic cells, which are used to capture the sun's energy and convert it into electrical energy. The electrical energy is then used to heat and produce electricity for homes. Advantages of solar energy is that it never runs out and can be used over and over again. Some disadvantages for solar energy is that making solar panels can be expensive, and the intensity of the light can vary from different places. Also, clouds can block sunlight to reach the solar panels. Wind energy. The use of force of moving air to drive an electrical generator. The use of wind turbines will convert wind energy to electrical energy. Wind is caused by the uneven heating of Earth's surface by the sun. Wind turbines are mostly located in higher elevation places where it's mostly windy. Hydroelectric energy is electrical energy produced by the flow of water turning generators at the base of a dam. Hydropower is a cleaner fuel source that produces electricity, but some disadvantages are that it could cause flooding in some areas, and there are not many places for hydroelectric dams. Building hydroelectric dams can disturb aquatic habitats. Geothermal energy is the energy that is produced by the heating within Earth, which creates steam from cracks on Earth. The heat is created by magma that is close to Earth's surface to cause the steam. The energy is produced to heat homes and water. Biomass is the energy generated by living or once living organisms. The most common biomass material used for energy are plants such as corn and soy. The energy from these organisms can be burned to create heat or converted into electricity.